Okay, so here is my mukbang for today, guys. It is Mexican food, but I wanted to do a Mexican food that wasn't Chipotle, like a burrito that wasn't Chipotle. So I went to my favorite like local taco truck, and this truck also has a restaurant. It's called Guadalajara. I I went to the one um on International in like 45th or something like that in Oakland, California. So I'm about to eat this burrito, and I just wanted to show you guys because it's been a long time since I had Guadalajara, and I like their burritos a lot. I got a vegetarian one. They put a lot of like guacamole in it, and they give you a pretty good size burrito, and they give you all the side accoutrements or whatever. I like the side items like the most. Sorry, I'm trying to like make my burrito clean. Open it up. Okay. So there's my burrito. And I also bought this rose quartz necklace today, guys. Today's my Auntie Lila's birthday. I bought her some nice little things, and I got myself this beautiful rose quartz necklace. But I want to show you some of my favorite side items. I love the French onion, the lime. I get the green salsa and the red salsa. Green salsa is my favorite, but they only give me one today. I like two. And then I also always get two of the carrot, the pickled carrot and jalapenos. And I'm actually about to bust this open now because, like, I'm about to eat all of these, guys. Like, I love these so much. Okay, so I bust that bad boy open. Busting open both of them. I love the carrots, too. The other one doesn't have so many carrots in it. I always ask for two because I'm really about to eat all these things. So, let me get a water. And here I go. I got my jalapenos open. Shit. Sorry. I need to open everything because I'm like, I haven't had Guadalajara. I haven't had, like, I've only been eating Chipotle, basically. So, I haven't had and I went to, like, a Mexican restaurant and had margaritas the other day. But I don't think I got a burrito. I haven't been to a taco truck, basically, in a long time. So, I enjoy this a lot right now. I'm so happy to eat this. Okay. It's a wobbly burrito. Okay. Sorry. I love how it tastes. Oh man, this lime's not that juicy. There we go. Wait, there we go. Green salsa. Take a bite of this. Gosh, I love the green onion. They also give you the radish. The radish doesn't really have that much flavor. But sometimes I like to dip the radish in the salsa. To me, the radish is just to add like crunch to your bite. Let me drink some water. I'm almost like halfway done with this burrito. They also have a super burrito. This is a vegetarian burrito. They also have a super vegetarian burrito, but I just got the regular one. The inside, and you know, it's funny because like this burrito does not have as many ingredients as a Chipotle burrito. It's mostly rice, beans, some onions, some lettuce, not that much, I mean a little bit of tomato, but and then the sides are kind of like the main thing. But what was I gonna say? But I just like really appreciate this like simple flavor. Simple and delicious. Like, ooh. It's like homemade, you know. I'll pour a little bit of red salsa on this one. And then have my green onion. Mm. Mm. Can't really see. That red salsa go. And you're a real estate agent. I don't eat my lunch. I don't think my client really is interested in that property. But I need to double check because she sent me an email today about her interest. So I'm gonna let her know that they set an offer due date for this property, and if she wants to offer on it, we can. So continue eating my food. Those jalapenos, y'all. On my mukbangs, I don't like to pretend like I eat cute. I mean, like, I eat cute because I am cute, but like, I'm not gonna be fake eating my food. I'm gonna eat my food. Okay. Now, I hate when at the bottom of the burrito, like, it seems like they rolled my burrito a little bit wrong because, like, it seems like the bottom of my burrito has all my guacamole and shit, but. There's still some rice down here. Spicy salsa. Sorry, it's getting kind of messy. This burrito is getting messy. Oh, it's spicy. Okay. I love my bun today, guys. It's so perfect and dense. Okay. I really feel like getting like a spoon to finish this with, because like, excuse me, it's getting a little bit messy, shawty. Whew. I only got like 2 bites left. 2 bites. I make my last bites count, you know. Gotta line up them jalapenos on it. I love the jalapenos. Carrot. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. Wow. I swear, guys. It's the jalapenos. Mm. Mm. I don't know. Because I know you can go to Walmart and buy like a can of pickled jalapenos and carrots, but I'm pretty sure they make theirs, because like the carrot slices are all like, they're not the same as like in the can. And the flavor is definitely not the same to me. This tastes way better. I think they make theirs on it. Oh, I'm not sure though. I like this. It kind of cools your mouth a little bit too. And this should get spicy. Okay. I'm about to take that bite. I wanted to put some red salsa, my jalapeno, and then I'm gonna probably bite it and then bite this carrot. I also want to eat some of this with it. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This the one. Sorry, excuse me. I don't know what that was. I just like wrapped my burrito in a circle. I have some extra guacamole down here. I don't need all of that. Okay. Here's like my last bite. No, it's like 2 bites left. Green salsa on this John. Jalapeno. I'm almost out of my jalapenos. No, I almost have only like 2 bites. You got to say something? What? Okay, so this has green salsa on it. It has jalapeno on it. And now I'm about to... Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 I think one of my jalapenos fell. Okay, now this is the last bite.
Didn't you top your burrito?
Yeah, this burrito. I tried this burrito. Oh, I'm bad. Now I'm about to put the rest of my jalapeno on here. It's so delicioso. And then I'm gonna chop the rest of the rest. Also, honestly, I used to like green salsa more, but it's been a minute, and now I'm liking this red salsa.
I told y'all I always been team red salsa.
Y'all seen that red salsa dribble? So last bite. Got some jalapenos and stuff down here, and then a little bit of lime on top.
Hello.
Yeah?
Somebody left their water behind.
Oh, that's mine. You think this is okay to close or it's not yet?
I knew you were, huh?
You think this is okay to close or no?
It's okay, what?
They said it might be wet.
Oh, just don't. It should be dry. It's pretty. Oh, it's dry now.
Okay, cool.
Oh, like yeah.
Hey! I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the end of my mukbang. It was delicious. This is Guadalajara, like I said. My favorite little Mexican truck. It's my poofy afro puff. And now I'm about to email my client about that call. And I'm also about to work on this thingy that I'm doing for like environmental justice work or whatever. Basically, I'm making like a poem thing for environmental and social justice. So tune in. It should be like my next thing on here besides this. And I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang. Go to a local food place. Don't go to Chipotle. Don't go to wherever. Eat somewhere mom and pop. And then go to Chipotle next week. I'm just kidding.
You're hardly mom and pop anymore.
But go to a mom and pop place and support the people there. Okay, cool. Talk to you guys later. Awesome.